Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making fun new fall DIYs. So if you are new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and let's get started. So for my first DIY, I'm actually using Mod Podge, and I picked up a orange and yellow paint from the Dollar Tree, and I'm using the Territorial Beige paint by Apple Barrel. And so the first thing that I'm going to do is put about an M&M size of each and every color, and I'm going to go ahead and mix this up. Now what I'm looking to make is a pumpkin spice color in order to create those amber vases that you see in all the stores right now. But this is the simple, easy, cheap way to do it without having to spend a lot of money. So I'm just going to mix this up, and if you want it to be a little darker, I would add a little brown. If you want it to be a little bit more oranger, you can do that and add a little orange, but I really love the color that it is right now. So I'm going to go ahead and add my Mod Podge and mix this all up to make sure it is nice and saturated and an even color. Then once I'm happy with the color, which I think this is a really beautiful color, I'm going to go ahead and take my sponge and go ahead and dip this in, and then I'm just going to go ahead and start painting my vase. Now my hack for this is actually to go ahead and, instead of just painting it like this, stick your hand in, and you have so much more control over your paint. And so you can go all the way around and have nice even brushes without making it blotchy. And I really like how it turns out. It's super simple and easy to do, but makes a world of difference. And once it's completely finished, I absolutely love how this turned out. It is so beautiful, and I love that it has that beautiful amber color that is translucent. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. So for my next project, we are using a milk carton. I went ahead and painted this white, and we're actually making little luminaries out of this. So I went ahead and cut off the top with box cutters, and you can get as creative as you like. I'm actually going to go ahead and draw a jack-o'-lantern face. I was going to say pumpkin face, but a jack-o'-lantern face, and then I'm going to go ahead and take my box cutters and cut this out. And what I love about this project is that you can actually make a ton of these and make them into luminaries and illuminate up your front porch or your front yard for the holiday time or for fall, and it looks absolutely beautiful. But definitely with this project, you do not want to use real candles. Definitely pick up a pack of the LED tea lights in order to put them inside, just for safety. And I would hate for anybody to use a candle, because definitely candles melt and are definitely not for this project. But this is what it looks like when you are completely finished, and I absolutely love how this turned out. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. Now for our last project, we are also using another milk carton. So as you can see, I'm actually drawing a little rectangle, and we're going to cut this out completely, just like so. And we're going to do this all the way around our carton. Next, I went ahead and cut off the top of the carton along with the little carton spout, and I'm going to go ahead and cut off both sides of the milk carton. And it'll be the bare bones just like this. And today I'm actually using the giant craft sticks from Walmart because they are just the right size to be able to cut off and use on all of the edges. And once you cut off the tops, you're just going to go ahead and use some box cutters in order to be able to bend and split them, and they fit perfectly on your milk carton. And we're going to go ahead and do this for all 4 corners. Next, I'm going to go ahead and use my hot glue gun and hot glue these right onto the ends. And once you've placed your hot glue, you're just going to go ahead and take your popsicle stick and bend and fold that right onto the corners and make sure it is nice and secure. And you're going to do this for all 4 corners. Next, I'm going to go ahead and take a smaller popsicle stick, and I'm going to go ahead and mark it with a pencil, the width, and I'm going to do that for the top and the bottom all the way around, and go ahead and hot glue that to the top and to the bottom. And the craft sticks I used for that is actually the jumbo craft sticks, and this is what it looks like. Next, we're going to work on the top, so we're going to hot glue this right back together, and we're going to use the giant craft sticks. I was going to say jumbo, but it is the giant craft sticks, and we are going to go ahead and create our roof. So I'm just going to lay those right on top one by one. I used 3 on each side in order to create the roof. And this is what it looks like. And you can leave it like this if you like, but I'm going to go ahead and create a paint stain. So I'm using a little bit of water and the Territorial Beige paint. I'm going to mix this together, and with my sponge brush, I'm just going to go ahead and give it a nice brown stain. And this is what it looks like when you are completely finished. I just added a little tea light, some mini pine cones, moss, and some wooden pumpkin stickers from the Dollar Tree to dress it up. But I absolutely love how this turned out. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. And this is everything that we created today for fall, and I absolutely love each and every one. Let me know down in the comments below which one you absolutely love, and if you do decide to make one of these, go ahead and tag me on Instagram. I thank you guys so very much for watching, and I will be back next week with a brand new fall DIY. Thank you, and make sure you give this video a like and subscribe. Bye.